So guys, I'm teaching you how to make a hair scrunchie, something like this. You can see how beautiful it is. So first we're using by 60 by 6 for the length, depending on how high you want it to be. Like this now, this point is depending on how long you want it, fuller and long you want it to be. So then this is 53. So this is 53 like this. So we are going to measure 53. 53 by 6. So what you will now do is that you're going to put it into, because of the length and everything. I put it into two. The length will still be there now. Since I even if I put it into two. So I put it into four like this. Then I measured. Then I'm going to measure 5 inches. We're using 5 inches. You can decide to use 4 depending on how you want it to be. So you can decide to make it. You can see how this one is. You can decide to make it high depending on how it is. So this one I'm using 5. So then I'm going to measure. I'm using. Remember, like I'm using 5 by 53. This 53. I put it into 4 pieces. So I'm just going to trim it to 8 so that it's not going to give me issue by swing. Then I use the machine. I'm going to straight down. Straight down. So I'm going to cut the. We're going to be using 15 by 3 inches for the elastic. Maybe 16. Okay. I'm going to cut it by 3 inches. Then the casing, this one is for the elastic. Then we're going to cut the casing. The casing is what we are going to put the scrunchie inside and make it look scrunchy. So then we're going to use 2 inches for the casing. The casing is supposed to be our head circumference is 21 for adults. Some people's circumference is 22, while some is 24 inches. So then we're going to use we're going to be using 20 because it is elastic. But for the casing, we're going to be using 19. We're going to be using 19 inches. So this will be showing allowance as well. Together with sewing allowance, 19 inches. I'm going to cut it out. 19.1 by 1.5. These are the material we need. This is everything we need to make it. This is the band, this part, this is the elastic part, and then this is the casing part, and this is my elastic. Normally, you're not supposed to use this type of elastic. You're supposed to use 1 inch. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use this type of elastic. Now we'll go to my machine. And I'm going to be sewing this type. I'm going to sew this type straight down. So this is my machine straight down. So you're going to trim off the edges that's giving problem. So that it won't give you further problem. You're going to trim the edges off. So when you trim the edges, you're going to go to your machine, then fold this into 2. You don't measure by 5. Remember I said you can make the measurement by 6 or 7, 8, depending on how big or wide you want it to be. So you're going to go to your machine. You're going to stitch it. Then we're turning it to the other side using the office pin, safety pin. Wait, then you turn it outside. When you turn it inside here. The length, remember that we use the length as 53. It's still going to be so scrunched. So should first do the casing for the elastic. So you're going to be fixing the office pin, safety pin inside. So you're going to fix it. You can see that giving that. Even without even saying that, you're going to fix it inside. So once it reaches the edge, you're going to stitch it. I'm going to stitch it down so that I can hold it down. So I'm going to continue. Hey, then when you make it out, you're going to go down to your machine. Then you stitch it down. So I noticed it is not straight here, so then I'm going to do it again. Then I'm using it. And I'm going to adjust it. This. I'm going to go to my machine. When I take it to my machine, then I just stitch. So for like this is the casing for the elastic. So I'm going to turn it to the other side. Using my office pen. I'm going to turn it to the other side like this. Let's say there's light. You just go to the you just use your iron to iron it down. For it to be very flat like this. You're going to iron it. For it to be smooth. Iron it very well. Yeah, I'm going to get your elastic. Measure it. Remember that we measure 19 inches. It's not supposed to be so. We're supposed to use like 17 inches. But because of the sewing allowance, we're going to be using 19. Remember that I said that your head circumference is 21. And it might be 22. Or it might be 22. Or it might be 24. Some people's head circumference is 24. So remember that this is we have 19 inches. We have 19 inches. So the elastic, we're going to measure 19, 21 minus 22 minus 19. It is 30. 22 minus 19 is 3 inches. So for the elastic, remember that when we remove half inch from here for sewing inches, it will remain 18. Now it will remain 21 minus 18, it will remain 4. So our elastic, we're going to measure, no, it is elastic. We cannot measure 4 inches for the elastic. We cannot even measure 4 inches. So we're measuring 3 inches because it is elastic. That's why we cannot measure 4. So it is very stretchy. So we're going to be measuring 3 inches. But because for the sewing allowance and everything, we'll measure 4 inches. So that it won't be too tight on your head. So be using 4. The sewing allowance is going to take everything away. So this is how we do it. Normally, remember I told you that we are meant to use 1 inch and not half inch elastic. We are supposed to use, but because we don't have 1 inch, we're going to be managing with half inch there. So this is what we have. So you're going to place, you're going to place it like this. This is for the hand of the one, then the end. This is how it is looking now. Then you're going to place it like this. Then you're going to put it like this. Just make sure you're closing it like this. Is how you put it. This side is very tricky, so you have to watch what I'm doing very well. You have to watch it very closely. Don't overlap it like this because when it comes out, you can try to overlap it, but don't fold it like this because it will show when you turn it to the other side. So you're going to clip it to your machine, then you stitch it like this. Because this one is very tight. Then okay, you can see that there's a mistake here. It's not supposed to show outside, but you can see it's closed. But then we're going to, you can try to lose it, but because there's extra space, there's still extra space. We're just going to take it to our machine and still stitch. You can see it. This is how it looks like. You can see how it is so neat. It's not showing. So you're going to connect it like this. For you to do for the other end, the back. Normally, we're supposed to mark it so that we'll not make the mistake. This is the front. Keep it like this. So I won't make the same mistake we made last time. I'm going to shift this one up. We're going to take it up. Then we're going to fold it like this. Then we're going to stitch. um, be careful. Yeah, so just make sure your stitches are so neat that you don't have to care about you don't have to cut the threads away. Just make sure that while you sew, you cut the threads away so that it's not going to give you a problem. So just make sure everything you are doing is neat. You can see this is how it looks like. You see how it is. There are some you will see, some will be showing outside like this. It will be showing outside like this. It is meant to be inside and not outside. You can decide to stitch it on a whipping machine. Stitch it, but it is okay. Like you are good to go. You can see the outer part. You can see on it's the outer part, and this like this. The scrunchie is ready. Loud the scrunchie came out. You can see how fine it is. This is how it came out. This is the elastic part. Use 1 inch to it would have stood. You can rock it on different type of ways. You can rock it anywhere. So fine. You can see this is we used 8 inches for this four. When on 4 it is 4, but without 4 it is 8. That's why it is higher. So depending on what you want. Some people like it simple and firm like this, but this is okay. That's all for our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Can you like, comment, and subscribe? And if you have any question, can you drop it at comment section? See you.